In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to test your form in Smartsheet. By the end, you'll know exactly how to grab a live preview link for your form and open it the same way your respondents will see it, so you can double-check everything before sharing it more widely. Start by opening the specific sheet that contains the form you want to test. This is important because forms in Smartsheet are tied to individual sheets, so you'll need to be on the correct one to find the right form. Once your sheet is open, look toward the top of the screen for the toolbar. There, you'll see Forms. Click that to access all form-related tools for this sheet. Next, choose Manage Forms. This opens a panel or window listing all the forms associated with your sheet. If you have multiple forms, take a quick moment to identify the one you're testing by its title. This helps you avoid copying the wrong link later on. Find the vertical three-dot icon next to your form's name. This is the More Options menu. Click it to reveal additional actions for that specific form. From that menu, select Share. This brings up a sharing window that includes the live link to your form. The link here reflects the form exactly as your audience will experience it, which makes it perfect for testing. Now, click Copy Link. When you do this, the link is saved to your clipboard, ready to paste. If you're ever unsure whether it copied correctly, you can copy again. Smartsheet will simply overwrite your clipboard with the same link. With the link copied, open a new browser tab and paste the link into the address bar. Press Enter to load the live form. Viewing it in a fresh tab gives you a clean, accurate preview, letting you confirm the title, descriptions, field order, required fields, and overall formatting. Take a moment to scroll through and ensure the form looks polished and that the instructions are clear. If you don't see the Forms option in the toolbar, double-check that you're in the correct sheet and that you have the permissions needed to access forms. Also, remember that Manage Forms is specific to the active sheet you've opened. That's the entire process. Open your sheet, go to Forms, select Manage Forms, click the three dots next to your form, choose Share, copy the link, and paste it into a new tab to review. With these simple steps, you can confidently verify your form's setup before sending it out.